Why did Dr. Dolittle stop treating human patients? Dr. Dolittle stopped treating human patients because people stopped visiting him. They were uncomfortable with the many animals in his house and preferred not to consult a doctor who lived with so many pets. How did Polynesia help Dr. Dolittle? Polynesia, the parrot, taught Dr. Dolittle the language of birds. This helped him understand and communicate with animals better, eventually making him a successful animal doctor loved by all animals. Why was unique? What was unique about Dr. Dolittle's clinic? Dr. Dolittle's clinic was unique because it was meant for animals. He listened to their problems, spoke in their language, and treated each of them with care, love, and equal attention. What did the plow horse complain about? The plow horse complained that people think anyone can treat animals just because animals don't complain. He said treating animals needs more intelligence than treating humans, and he appreciated Dr. Dolittle's care. Why didn't Polynesia speak a bird language earlier? Polynesia didn't use bird language earlier because Dr. Dolittle wouldn't have understand it. Once he started learning the language, she communicated more freely, helping him connect better with animals. How did Dr. Dolittle show care for the animals? Dr. Dolittle showed care by learning their language, understanding their needs, and giving them personalized treatment. He respected animals' feelings and treated them with the same seriousness as human patients. What do we learn about Dr. Dolittle's character? Dr. Dolittle is kind, patient, curious, and open minded. He listens to animals, values their emotions, and works hard to learn their language, showing his love and respect for all creatures. Why is the story of Dr. Dolittle important? The story highlights the importance of kindness towards animals, understanding different perspectives, and treating all living beings with respect and compassion. It also encourages learning beyond boundaries. What does the horse want from Dr. Dolittle and why? The the horse wants green sunglasses to protect his eyes from plowing. It shows how Dr. Dolittle not only treats diseases but also understands the daily struggles of animals and offers practical help. What message does the story convey about animal care? The story conveys that animals deserve proper care, love, and medical attention. It encourages empathy and responsible behavior toward animals, especially in how we treat pets, strays, and working animals.